All right, guys, today's topic was the shadow, as well as the outside turn for the follow. We normally don't do this turn, but I was like, let's do it today. Because we don't have a Saturday class, so we're like, let's get it. A little bit more advanced. All right, so first we start preparing the outside turn. I'm going to go this way so you guys can see. So I'm going to prepare on 3-4. I'm going to prepare going to my right with my left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's preparation. I'm going to give my follow. The follow is going to feel like I'm doing a hammer lock, but in reality, I'm going to let go as I'm turning my follow on 1, 2, 3, 4. By 3, 4, I completely let go of the hand. So that's going to make it not a hammer lock, right, Jessa? Okay, so from here, I'm going to do a rock step with a hand toss. I'm going to go directly forward. Please don't go directly angle. Some of you guys are going angle. Okay, I want you guys to really do this with the frame. Yes, that the follow is like, oh, he's really going in towards me, so I have to get out of the way, meaning I have to look back. Right, Jessa? So I'm going to go 1. See, I'm almost in front of the follow. I'm stopping my follow with my left hand on the waist. 1. Yes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. I go 2, 3, and 4. I bring my follow towards me. Right, Jessa? Yes. And right now we are. My follow is directly in front of me, but on the half right side of my body. Not completely perreo bonito. Riding hip up. Right here. Yes. Do you feel my chest on your back? So I'm expanding my diaphragm instead of least do this with the hips. Now expand your diaphragm. Once you're in shadow, diaphragm, very important. So we can do a body roll, 7, 8. So we can go back on time. That's what I did. 5, 6, 7, 8. We do basic 2, 3, and 4. I saw a lot of the follows having the elbow back this way and turning a little bit like this. That's because the leads are doing this to the follow. Make sure that it's here. The elbow doesn't go behind you. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're both facing the same direction. 1. Prepare to get out of here with 1.5 turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? And then we do basic. The whole thing without talking. I heard you guys don't like my voice. Just kidding. 5, I'm playing. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7, 8. Beautiful. Yes? All right.